Hi, today we're going to see how to make a creamy delicious yogurt rice. Let's see what you need for today. To make a yogurt rice, you need 1 cup rice. I use Basmati rice today. You always can use any type of rice. It should be long grain. Water for cook. 1 cup milk. 1 cup yogurt. For the tempering, you need a mustard seed, urid dal, little bit cumin, curry leaf, dry chili, and pinch of Asafetida for garnishing, cashew nut, salt for seasoning, green chili, chopped ginger, chopped coriander leaf. For garnishing, I'm using a half green granny smith apple, 1 small carrot, and 1 small cucumber. Wash the rice. You should be rinse it at least 3 times. Today I'm using a electric rice cooker. Add the washed rice. Use same cup measurement to measure the water. For 1 cup rice, I use 1.5 cup water. Cook the rice until all the water absorb, and we're going to add the milk under this next stage. Okay, now you can see the rice starting bubbly. Let me open and show you guys. And you start seeing the holes, and now you need to add the cup of milk. Put the lid on it and let it cook completely. Now the rice is ready. Use the masher, start mashing it. For tempering, heat the pan. I use 1 teaspoon ghee. Check the ghee is hot. Just take a piece of mustard seed, drop it. When it's come up, it means ready. We're going to drop ginger, mustard seed, urid dal, dry chili, asafetida, and little bit cumin, curry leaf, and green chili. Here we go. Just stir it a little bit. In the bowl, add a cup of yogurt. It's homemade yogurt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And coriander leaf. Add the cooked rice inside the yogurt mixture and mix it well. Keep mixing. If you think the too much thick, you always can add more yogurt and a little bit water. Add cut fruits and vegetable to have a more good flavor on your yogurt rice. Mix fruits and vegetable the yogurt rice. Now you can add the tempura. The yogurt rice mix well. Now you can garnish with the coriander leaves. Sprinkle it. Some roasted cashew nut. Okay, now let's see how to serve the yogurt rice. Okay, let's give it a try. How it's come out. I'm going to get all little bit pieces, some carrot, some piece of cashew, and a little bit of the pickles. Look at this. It's crunchy, slightly sweet, a little bit tangy, and the pickles, oh, really delicious. Guys, you guys need to try this amazing recipe. Please follow us, share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.